This is obviously a huge change to the city of Chardon.
We take a lot of pride in what's in Geauga County.
We were celebrating the ribbon cutting and grand opening and dedication of our Geauga County Courthouse today.
Everyone look at me. 1, 2, 3. Woo!
Thank you everybody for being here. This is a great day in Geauga County.
It's pretty humbling today to see this complete and all the hard work that everybody did.
Days like today are energizing when you see what's possible when alignment replaces silos.
The building that I've been handed in Geauga County is spectacular. It really is. It's so much better in terms of comfort, security, and anything you can imagine that we need on a daily basis to run court operations.
So this building will stand for years, but its real value will be in how it serves the people of Geauga County every day.
Congratulations, Geauga County. You did it right.
May this courthouse be a place of peacemaking for many generations to come.
Today we're celebrating with the ribbon cutting ceremony and making the courthouse safer for the workers, for the public, and the judges, everybody that works there, a lot safer with the high technology and security. It's one of the most modern courthouse facilities in probably Northeast Ohio.
Our primary concern was security. The old building was built in 1869, 1870 was when it was opened. Modern security's just really changed a lot. So I think for us, the safety of the people coming in and out of the courthouse, the safety of the deputies, the safety of our staff, we're really grateful for the improvements of security.
It helps our people, it helps everybody that visits here. The design was beautiful that we had input with through the entire process. I'm very happy with the way it turned out, and it's a beautiful addition to the city of Chardon.
I really appreciate the security. I appreciate the functionality. I think that the architects and construction company really helped make us a very functional building. And I'm grateful to have a really beautiful space to bring justice to our community.